Hey everyone, as you can see I'm sitting behind a pile of stuff right here. The reason for that is because today is my 50,000 super subscriber giveaway video. I'm celebrating the milestone of reaching 50,000 subscribers, and the best way I know how to do that is by doing a giveaway and giving you the chance to win one of these prizes. Now due to being on vacation for 2 weeks, I am a little bit behind on making this video, but I'm back home and ready to go and to celebrate and to share some items with you guys. So we're going to check out the items that I have here, then I'll explain how you could potentially win them. Alright, now that I have some room to talk, I just want to start off by saying a huge, enormous, big thank you to each and every one of you. Without you guys, I wouldn't have a reason to make this video today. So whether you're new to my channel or been with me for a long time, I just want to say thank you for your overwhelming support and the friendships that I've created over the years. The way I plan on celebrating this milestone is by giving away 5 different items to 5 of you. Now the items I'm giving away, I've actually done reviews on 4 of these 5 items. So I will list the links down below in the description if you want to get more information about them, and I'll also explain how you can win them later on. I want to tell you this contest is open to everyone, but you must be a US resident. I won't ship internationally, it just costs too much money for that, so make sure that you are in that criteria in order to win. So let's get started and check out the items. Okay, in no particular order, we have a flexible tripod. This is great for photographers, for YouTubers, because it is lightweight, durable, and it comes with the 1/4 inch thread, comes with a GoPro mount and a smartphone mount. And this is a great item. You can wrap it around branches, you can lay it on the ground, or just walk around like a selfie stick, and that's the first item right there. Okay, the next item is the ThruNite TC15 tactical flashlight. This is a lightweight, high-powered flashlight that comes with a rechargeable battery, charging cable, wrist strap, and instruction manual. It's a great little light, it's waterproof, drop resistant, and works really great. Okay, the next item is an item that I didn't review because I received this as a thank you gift for doing a review, but it's a little indoor drone, and as you can see, it's orange in color, comes with a controller, a rechargeable battery. This is a great indoor flyer for beginners because it has this protective cage, so you won't be able to hurt anyone or break anything if you bump into a wall. So this is brand new, never used. All I did was open the box to make sure everything's in there, but this is a brand new, unused item, and this is the 3rd item, so let's check out the other 2. Okay, next up is this RC military truck. This is an item that I reviewed, and it's a great little fun toy. It's 4-wheel drive, comes with the RC controller, has the cargo area, you can put items in the back. It does take a rechargeable battery that goes in the hood, and it's not a speed demon, but it's more of like a rock crawler. It's maneuverable for climbing hills and carrying items and going over some rocks. It's really fun to play with, great for beginners, great for areas that you don't have a lot of room to play, but it's nice to drive around and looks really awesome. It has powered lights and works great, so that's the 4th item. Okay, the final item is the SEMA X5UW drone. This is a camera drone, comes with a 720p camera. And this is a product I reviewed back in August when I was in Ocean City. Now there is one little issue with this drone. When I was viewing it, I landed it and a piece of sand actually got into one of the motors. The motor still operates and still flies fine, but the motor does make more noise than the other one, so it's a little bit loud. Now the motors do cost around $12, and there's videos on YouTube explaining how you can switch it out. So if you win this item, you could potentially switch it out with a new motor, but it does work and fly fine the way it is. But I just wanted to point that out so that you're not surprised as to why it's making noise. But if you watch the review video of this, you will see it and hear it how it sounds in that video. Okay, now that you saw the products, let me explain how you can win them. Now there's a few steps you have to take. Now if you don't follow these rules and these steps, you won't be eligible to win. So the first step is you must be subscribed to my channel. Easy so far, right? Next off, you have to make sure your notification bell is turned on. With me so far? Okay, well next off, you have to make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And lastly, you have to comment down below listing number 1 through 5, with number 1 being your favorite item to win, and number 5 being your least favorite item to win. And I'll actually show an example right now what I mean by that. Okay, so here's an example in the comment section as to how you will enter to win one of these prizes. All you do is simply list number 1 through 5. Number 1 will be your favorite choice, number 5 will be your least favorite choice, and depending on which number winner you are, you will win the prize next to that number. Simple as that. So the reason for picking the 5 choices like that is because on Friday, March 8th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to do a live stream to pick 5 winners. The first winner I pick will get the first item listed, the second winner will get the second item, and so forth. If someone does win an item that's already been given away, I will simply move on to that next item and give them that one. Make sure you do follow the steps though of listing your 5 items, favorite to least favorite, liking the video, ringing the bell, and subscribing. If you don't, and you end up leaving comments like, I hope I win, pick me, or I love your videos, your comment will be removed and you won't be eligible to win. Make sure too that if you have any questions about this contest, to leave your question below your 5 choices. Otherwise, that question may be counted as an inaccurate entry and will be removed from the contest. Make sure too that if you are a winner, that you contact me within 48 hours with your full name and mailing address via Facebook or email. You can find the links below in the description. If you don't, I will pick a new winner the following Friday. Otherwise, I hope to see you guys Friday, March 8th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the live streamed giveaway to pick 5 winners for my 50K super subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.